is rightly said by a famous copywriter. If you spend $1 on a news article, then 80 cents goes to the heading and rest goes to the main content. But with web searches, perhaps it's more than 80% for the title tags. So, why does the title tag matter in search engines? Google's goal is to deliver results that are applicable to the request people make. For search engine to do that, it has to find all about the content on different pages of the website. Google discovers this information by looking at the words used on the sites. Search engine algorithms give a lot of weight to the title tag when determining the content of the page, since it's short and simple way for website users to gesture what's on the page that follows. For that reason, title makers are one of the most prominent part of page ranking factors. They are also important for getting people to click on the link once it shows up in the search result. The title is the first and the most highlighted part they see. It's big, it's blue, and people anticipate it to give the exact information they need by clicking on that link. 5 tips for writing title tags. Few best practices to make readable title tags. Writing exclusive titles for every page. Every page on your website is unique and your title tag should reflect it. Make sure you customize the title makers on each page of your website so that they directly describe what's on the specific page. You want your title label to gesture to the search engine what the individual page is about. Plus, having a clear and accurate title is more useful in search listing. Pay attention to length. Google and other search engines will display 50-50 characters of a title tag in the search results before cutting it off. So you should generally aim for title makers that are around 50 characters or lower. You want the most important and descriptive words in the keyword for beginning, so they are less likely to be cut off. However, put it at the end if you like to include your brand name in every title tag, which can be a good idea for a recognizable brand. Using your target keyword, but without overdoing. Every page on your website should answer a question or give precious information to someone searching for it. Your website will be more useful to those people if it shows up in search for the right term, just when they are looking for the information you give. Since Google's algorithm uses the title label as one of the main ways to determine what a site is all about, it's a good idea for you to include the main keywords or keyword you are targeting for that user. That makes it clear to Google that this page is applicable for anyone searching for that specific term. Be explorative of what you write on the page. When your web page does show up in search engines, a lot of people will decide whether or not to click based on your title tag. However, they'll likely click that reverse button right down and look for another result to try if they click to a web page that shows something other than what they expected. You want your title tag to give an accurate description of what people see. When people's prospects match what they see on the page, it means a higher website rate and longer time spent on the page. Your visitors will have a better experience as a result. Make a brief content for the user. You don't want to have a plenty of options for this, but use what makes your web page great and differentiable. For blog, post and papers, a good title tag often looks like a good headline, so you may use the caption you have already written.